Are you tired of being constantly bombarded with notifications while trying to relax at night? In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to easily enable quiet mode on Instagram and ensure a peaceful night's sleep without interruptions from notifications. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, tap Notifications. And now you'll see an option called Quiet Mode. Automatically pause notifications at night. Just tap on it. To enable quiet mode, simply toggle on this switch. And now you've successfully enabled quiet mode on Instagram. You can also set quiet mode to turn on automatically. Just select the time that you want quiet mode to start, and then select when you want quiet mode to turn off. And during this time, all the Instagram notifications will be muted. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.